Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm doing a video today that is so overdue it's ridiculous. And you know I am always just kind of plugging away for joining my Patreon support team and taking part in that. And I know some of you can, some of you can't. I think it's awesome that you guys just watch the videos and comment and take part in all the hilarity and funness we have around here. That's awesome. Some people, you know, can have the ability and want to kind of take that active role and support this channel. And there's different levels of support to sign up for and give, and you get different benefits for that. The highest level that I have set up is called the Only Awesome Canoes Here. And one of the things that I've promised the Only Awesome Canoes Here is that 4 times a year, once a quarter, there's a special giveaway just for those guys. For, you know, the contributions they make to the channel and for really providing the stuff that goes into making content for everybody else to watch. So a little while back, I had a 2-part video series about field notebooks, tactical notebooks, writing supplies, and all that stuff. It was kind of requested, and I was really happy to do it because I have a lot of experience. I'm going to link, if you have not seen those videos, I'm going to put links to both parts 1 and 2 in the video description here so you can check them out. I wanted to put together a little giveaway package, though, for the Only Awesome Canoes Here that have been supporting this channel for that very first quarter, ending in December 2017. And yeah, it's March now, and I still haven't done this. I should have done this in January, but here it is. So based on that video, though, I put together a little set. I picked one of the books we looked at in the video in terms of, I picked it for the reasons of its convenient size, it's got good features, it's kind of a neutral color, you can use this just about anywhere, and it's very easy to dye any other color you want. It's got a little pocket on the outside. You can put some Velcro accoutrements on there, patches and such. It's got a nice clip to hang off your gear, zips up, keeps what's inside relatively water resistant, not waterproof. Inside though, that's where we packed the stuff. And I can't remember the manufacturer of this particular book, but if you check out those videos, you'll see. Inside, because the notebook cover just comes plain as is, I wasn't just going to send out a notebook cover, I wanted to send the winner some useful stuff to go in it. So you have all-weather writing paper, waterproof, environment-proof for the most part, brand new, it's going to come in there. Because I talked about some of the unique writing conditions that have to go on, I'm also sending a set of these Staedtler alcohol-based superfine markers. These will work absolutely great on this waterproof paper to give you permanent writing solutions, never have to worry about it washing off or anything. And 4 decorative colors. So that's going in there. On the other side, though, oh, and this is, what is this, Fox Tactical? Yeah, there's a tag in there. The book is Fox Tactical. Something I showed, just a simple, nice little, it's fuzzy and it's green. Little field notebook for you to take out with you and write down all your notes or whatever. I've actually included, I went out and bought one of my favorite pens. It writes beautifully. It's ballpoint, so you could use it on the book. It's not gel ink, but it is actually a phenomenal pen. You can refill the ink. You don't have to. It's a zebra. You don't have to just buy a new pen every time. And it's kind of shiny looking too. It's a metal. I like a metal pen. It's got a little bit of weight to it. And then because it's this channel, I can't send a winner anywhere without like some kind of knife. And this is what really held me up. I wanted to find a knife that was lightweight, that would fit inside the book if they wanted to, and that would give them some good features. And we did the review on the Gerber Fullback AO, and I'll link this video review also in the description so you can check it out. And this came highly recommended. I took a quick look at it, I did a little bit with it, and I found out that I actually like this for its size, for its features, and you know what? It fits great inside this notebook. Besides, it's assisted. It's got a great locking system to use one-handed. You can just put it right up here, zip this all up, take this whole little kit with you on the go, do whatever you want. So this is what I'm sending to my Patreon winner for the December giveaway. Now, the Patriot team has grown significantly since then, but since this is for the December timeframe, the only ones that are eligible to win, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 names, because it was very early on in the Patreon days. I don't know why my phone says but there, but it says but. I suspect Aiden was involved. I have a random picker app. I have their first names here on the wheel go round, and right now in real time we're going to pick the winner of who this is going to. So Isn't that exciting? Isn't that better than a random number generator? Austin S. Austin S. This is yours. You don't even have to get in touch with me. I have your address and everything on Patreon, so don't even worry about it. If you don't want it, you're not interested in it for whatever reason, you can get in touch with me and tell me that, and I'll pick an alternate winner. But otherwise, I don't need to hear from you because I have all your information. This will get packed up in the mail and sent to you no later than this weekend, and I will be in touch with you on Patreon with a tracking number and stuff. So I wanted to do this video, so that you guys get a sense of some of the stuff that goes out to the Patreon members, some of the stuff they get in return for taking part and doing what they do to bring content to all of you. So that's pretty cool. We're going to have another giveaway coming up real soon because the next monthly one is March. That coming up I have to do an Only Awesome Canoes giveaway for everybody that was a contributing member from December to March of 2018. So that'll be pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for joining us on this one. Austin, I really think you'll get some good use out of this, especially knowing you a little bit the way I do through Patreon. So thank you guys for watching. Again, check the video description for all the links for cool stuff. You guys are all awesome. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll be back again real soon.